was somewhere thinking, I was in a dilemma whether I should give the 2022 attempt. What I will do was 2022 मध्ये सगळे IAS ऑफिसर झाले, सगळे. आणि हो आय वुड ऑल्सो से की जाऊ दे ना, पैसे लागतात का, माझं काय जात आहे का, हो दे ना सगळे. When the results came, he messaged me की दीदी, is this you, Kashmira, is this you? I said yes, it's me. He is like, when I met you, and it was hardly for 5 minutes that we had seen each other. He was like, I could sense from you that you were in top 50. So I mentioned yesterday, we are privileged to have you, and no sir, it's my privilege that I'm associated with Jeevan Vidya Mission. I want to share my story because yesterday when I was listening to all the lectures, I was seeing my journey in it. Kalat na kalat, I was doing it in my life also. So my story towards UPSC basically starts from when I was like 4 or 5 years old. It's that typical story, बचपन का सपना तसा टाइपचं ते होतं. And two important things were happening to me at that time. One was my mother, and the second was Jeevan Vidya. So my mother I'm mentioning first because she was the one who introduced me into this world of Jeevan Vidya. She was the one who brought me and showed me the world of civil service. She was the one who would read newspapers to me and articles of Kiran Bedi ma'am, Vishwas Sangre Patil sir, and the work that they do. And she would tell me ki, look at this, and this is what you can become. You have the ability to achieve. So what I want to say here is that the seed that was sown in me, that is the job of the parent to sow a seed, and that was done in me by first my mother and then even Jeevan Vidya, because Jeevan Vidya used to conduct Bal Sanskar Kendras that I was going for, and even there they were teaching me certain study techniques as well as thinking good about not just yourself but for everyone, others म्हणण्यापेक्षा I would say everyone. And apart from that there was this one song, हे राष्ट्र आमचे सर्वार्थाने पुढे पुढे जावे आणि हे जग सुखी व्हावे. So in retrospect, when I visit that song again, I realize that the meaning of that song is that our country is not just going to progress, but it's going to progress at such a level that on the world level it's going to be a torch bearer of all the good things. So like we say now, Vishwa Guru. So something like that. Now in retrospect I realize that. So these were the things that were happening to me, and somewhere in my mind I had ki, I want to become a police commissioner because I had only seen police commissioners by that time. But as I was growing up, I googled for the first time. Google came in my life. I was in 7th or 8th, and I googled what is IPS, what is exactly the exam that I need to give, what is the full form of UPSC, because many don't even know that, and I did not for a very long time. And I wanted to see what are the other services that are being offered through UPSC. So I saw, okay, IAS is also there, IFS is there. I saw the job profiles, what work is required, what you are expected to perform, what duties you are expected to perform. And from that I realized that my inclinations are actually more towards IAS and IFS. So although the seed sown was of IPS, I nurtured it in such a way that it got molded into IAS and then second IFS. Then even in 10th standard, there's all this craze. Do well in 10th standard, this is the last time you'll have to study. Lies. It's not the last time you'll have to study, it's the first time you start studying properly. So I studied properly for the first time during that time. I wanted to score 97. I was in ICSE board. So I had put that on a piece of paper and had written 97. I had put it in front of me. Whenever I would sit to study, I would visualize that I am getting those many marks. Not only was it helping me visualize, but also it was present as a target in front of me that I need to achieve. So whatever actions that I take need to be in consonance with that target I want to achieve. So that is what that's the role that that visualization, a piece of paper, was playing. In 10th I scored 94, not 97, but good enough, and I realized that this works. So again, in trying to think whether to go for arts or science, so I thought I want to gain more knowledge, and we have that perception नॉलेज म्हटलं का सायन्सला जायचं. ॲक्च्युली असं नसतं. नॉलेज इज एव्हरीवेअर, व्हेरेवर यू सीक. But for me, I was like, I like biology, I want to take science. So I took up science. Then I followed into my footsteps of my sister. She is also a dentist. So I was like, okay, let me take dentistry. Before that, I was feeling that maybe I should take, BA, and because I know that I want to do UPSC. So why not take BA, and then those subjects are common in UPSC also. But I had read an interview article of Vaibhav Nimbalkar Dada. He had said himself that although I did BSc, I want you all to have a plan B because this exam is uncertain. And that goes to show that while we should be ambitious, optimistic, and think great things for ourselves, but at the same time, savat to sukhi. So be cautious, have a plan B. Thinking that and keeping that in mind, I moved towards BDS. I finished my BDS from Government Dental College. It is one of the better colleges and prestigious universities for dentistry, not just in Maharashtra but all over India. So I completed from there in 2019. In 2020, I moved towards what was the plan A of my life. So I started preparing, and my first attempt was in 2020. So I realized that when I did not make it through the first level, which was the preliminary level, I realized that somewhere my approach was wrong. I was studying thinking that I'm still a doctor, but I was not a doctor now. I was preparing for a different exam, which required different kind of skill sets and different kind of study patterns and requirements. So I shifted. I started doing smart work. I started solving previous year's questions, which helps a lot. आपल्याला वाटतं की येऊन गेल्या म्हणजे ते परत येणार नाही, ॲक्च्युली ते परत येतं अँड देन यू फील अरे केलं पाहिजे आता. सो आय डिड दॅट. माय सेकंड अटेम्प्ट वॉज इन 2021. ड्युरिंग दॅट टाईम आय मिस्ड द मार्क बाय 1 mark or so. So again, I was a little, disappointed की आता कसं. But then I gave a third attempt, thinking आता this is the plan A, so I need to show my conviction if it's a plan A. So my third attempt, which was in 2022, I had studied only for 2 months because before that my sister was getting married, so I was completely involved in that. I took a very long break, and so I had only 2 months. I was somewhere thinking, I was in a dilemma whether I should give the 2022 attempt. And some of my friends were like, yeah, I think you shouldn't. And one friend, she told me, अरे you have attempts now, give बिंदास, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, नहीं हुआ तो भी क्या, next attempt दे दे. So I was like, sounds right, let me give this attempt. So in those 2 months, I prepared like crazy. 14-15 hours I was sitting because somewhere in the back of my mind I had that कि पिछले 5 महीने मैंने तो जलसा किया है, तो अभी मुझे उसकी भरपाई करनी है. I want to cover that up. So I was studying 14-15 hours, and I also forgot to mention one thing, but I was also using visualization technique again. After my first attempt was not cleared, I clicked a picture with my mother where she is feeding me peda. Like when the results come out, this is the view that comes in your mind. So I took a picture and I stuck it again in front of my study table. And after the first attempt, and even after the second attempt, when I had not cleared, I would get doubts, self-doubts. Whether I would be able to clear this time. So what I would do is, this is chinta, right? Worrying, unnecessary. So what I would do during that time is get up from my seat, go to wherever that picture was stuck. In front of that, in a very meditative state, I would say affirmations. मी 2022 मध्ये IAS ऑफिसर झाली, म्हणून मी सद्गुरूंचे, विठ्ठलाचे, अंतर्मनाचे आणि माझ्या आईबाबांचे खूप खूप आभार मानते. So this was something I had prepared. And I would say it so many times, whenever Chinta would come, I would take a U-turn to Chintan, so affirmations. And then after a point it became so natural, it became like breathing. I was doing it while sleeping, I was doing it after waking up, I was doing it while having a bath, kahi kartana, even while going on a walk I would do it. And funny thing is, even now, when I have achieved the goal, while bathing, my body is so conditioned that while bathing I would say, मी 2022 मध्ये IAS ऑफिसर झाली, then I would stop. अरे आई तू झालीस. दिस इज नॉट अ ड्रीम. एक महिना झाला त्या गोष्टीला. नाव अपग्रेड दी अफर्मेशन. सो दिस हॅपन्स. इट समवेअर वेंट इन टू माय सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. Another thing I want to mention is about subconscious mind. Ki it went so deep into my subconscious mind, and this is a little personal, that I would have dreams about my results, and it would be great dreams. And before, in the first 2 attempts, I did not have any such dreams, either good or bad. But during the third attempt, after my prelims exam was over and before the result, I got a dream that my prelims is cleared. I'm sitting for mains. I saw that I'm sitting for mains examination and my mains is also cleared. So I was like, चल आता तर झालं समजा. म्हणजे if you're seeing it in your dreams, that means your subconscious mind is showing you all that. So I was like, somewhere in the back of my mind, I was like, ki let's hope for the best, but I feel hoil. Because even before, many times it had so happened that I had seen something in my dream and just like that it had happened in real life. So I was like, okay, let's see. And my results came out for prelims. I studied for mains. Then my mains result also came out. And then I was preparing for the interview. And before the interview, I got another dream. Again of IPS, because वो बचपन का सपना तो IPS ही था. Although I had moved on, my subconscious hadn't. I was IPS this time, posted in Badmer, Rajasthan. And because I was studying about all these places in India, so I knew where Badmer is. I knew that it is in somewhere, desert side of area of Rajasthan. So I knew broadly what it would look like, but I had never seen Badmer, ever. Never Googled. And I saw in the dream, I was, posted as an IPS, and I was getting down on the train station. And my mother was also accompanying there, like always, even during my interview, she would accompany me everywhere. So I woke up and I was like feeling really good. My interview has not happened yet, but definitely I'm going to clear it. Because my subconscious mind has taken it, accepted it, and is now showing me. So Badmer was not real. It was a product of my subconscious mind. The people that were in my dreams, were they coming in my dreams? Were they walking into my dreams? No. They were the manifestations of my subconscious mind. It was all a product of what I was thinking in my subconscious mind. So I was like, okay, chalo, selection to hai. But I was like, IPS, IS first preference hai. So let's see about that. Again, after the interview was over, and my interview was on 11th May. The result came on 23rd May. So I had very less days. I was in the last phases of the interview. So, and in a lot of stress, because the next exam was on 28th May. So if I don't clear, I have to start again from level 1, which will be in 5 days. And that was the dreaded level for me, that level which I have not cleared for the first 2 times. So I got a dream again. This time, what they told me that your interview was good, you're selected, is what I saw. So whenever I would dream that way, the next morning I would feel really energized, feeling की जर स्वप्नात आले म्हणजे सत्यात उतरणार आहे, because I have had such experiences even before, not related to UPSC but general also. So I was like, okay. So this is the power of visualization, that it can go so deep in your subconscious mind. It will show you your future. I'm not kidding. And what Badmer, I'm getting Maharashtra cadre, my most preferred cadre. So Badmer and IPS is out there. I'm getting IS Maharashtra cadre, much better than what my dream was even showing me. म्हणजे बहिर्मनाने जे केलं होतं ते अंतर्मनापेक्षा पण पुढचं अजून केलं होतं असं. What answers are written तशा वेमध्ये. Second was affirmations for everybody. आणि yesterday sir mentioned की आपण जेव्हा स्वतःसाठी बोलतो की मी 2022 मध्ये IAS ऑफिसर झाली आणि ते सगळं, तर आपल्याला डाऊट्स येतात. होणार का मी? नाही झाली मग असं. And that is natural and that is okay. That is okay provided you take a U-turn. But still somewhere it used to, doubts used to arise in me. What I will do was 2022 मध्ये सगळे IAS ऑफिसर झाले, सगळे. आणि होऊ दे, I would also say की जाऊ दे ना, पैसे लागतात का, माझं काय जातं आहे का, होऊ दे ना सगळे. देशाच्या हितासाठी कोण काम करणार असतील तर why should I look back? Maybe they are better officers, why shouldn't they take the reins of the country? So I feel that way, ki let everybody become IAS. And that actually helped me so much, I'm telling you, during the mains exam. So I'll very broadly tell you how the mains exam is. So basically, in 3 hours you write 20 questions, and then you get a 2-hour break, and then again there's a 3-hour another paper. which is completely different on different theme. So stress level is 200% max level, and you feel आता कसं होईल, what kind of question will come, some or the other googly unpredictable question, and how you will face it. And I would also face some anxiety. I would feel pukish, I would feel like loose motions. काही नव्हतं, काही खाल्लेलंच नव्हतं, काय निघणार, पण I would feel that way. So after sitting in the exam hall, I would take one look around the class and I would say, आज सर्वांचा पेपर खूप चांगला जातोय, सर्वांचा पेपर कंप्लीट झालेला आहे, बिकॉज कम्प्लिटिंग द पेपर इज अ टास्क. सो सगळ्यांचं कंप्लीट पण झालं आणि त्यांनी जे अभ्यास केला आहे त्याच्यावरच प्रश्न विचारले. सो आय यूज टू से दॅट, आणि इवन फॉर दी एंटायर एक्झाम सेंटर, नॉट जस्ट माय हॉल. सो आयड से दॅट, आणि इमिडिएटली इवन सीइंग इट वन्स वुड काम मी डाऊन सो मच दॅट आय कुड बी रेडी विथ I could be in that zone. सरांनी सकाळी सांगितलं झोन. I could be in that zone of high performance, and then there would be no stress, no anxiety. Whatever googly questions would come, I would tackle them for how they were. आणि मला येत नसतील तर there's a good possibility बाकीच्यांना पण येत नाही, तर no point fretting over it की अरे काय पेपर काढला UPSC असं तसं. No, take it for what it is. So I was doing that, and that helped me so much, because for every exam that I was going, I was having a clear mindset. I was very calm. My nerves were under control. And I was also not carrying the baggage of my previous performance. की previous prelims किंवा previous paper जो झाला, चांगला झाला की वाईट झाला. आणि 2 तास असतात between the 2 papers. You don't get the time to discuss. And my exam hall was such that I was on the 4th floor. So people who were all my co-candidates who would come out, they would be like, अरे ह्याच्यात हे लिहिलं का, ते लिहिलं का, अरे मी पेपर कम्प्लीट केला बट माय क्वालिटी took a downfall असं. I was writing it for the first time. It was my first experience. So I did not know what to compare with. So I was like, बापरे माझं पण असं झालं असेल तर. What I would do is, I had cotton buds in my ears. I would just rub over them, because त्याच्यातून पण आवाज यायचा. So I would just rub over them, create a white noise, run out of the exam center, not listening to anything, because next exam is in 2 hours. So you can't carry the baggage of काय लिहिलं पाहिजे होतं. पेन ठेवला खाली की ते संपलं पाहिजे आपल्यासाठी आयडियली. तरी को कॅन्डिडेट जे बोलत होते दॅट वॉज ॲक्च्युली रॉंग. आणि मी एक्झाम सेंटरच्या बाहेर निघाले. माय मदर वॉज वेटिंग. शी वॉज लाईक, पेपर कसा होता? लाईक, डोंट आस्क, कीप मुव्हिंग फॉरवर्ड, डोंट इवन लुक बॅक. ऑन दॅट मोमेंट इज ओव्हर, इट्स हिस्ट्री ना. तिथे बघायची पण सोय नाही आहे. डोंट लुक बॅक, कीप मुव्हिंग फॉरवर्ड. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट, देर वर अदर पेरेंट्स हू आर ऑल्सो वेटिंग फॉर देअर किड्स. ते वुड डिस्कस की अरे त्याने आन्सर रायटिंग केलं नाही, त्याचं झालं नाही पेपर, हे ते. सो मॉम ओव्हरहर्ड दिस अँड शी आस्क्ड मी की तुझा होतो आहे ना पेपर? सो डाऊट कुठेतरी. सहज आहे, नो वन्स परफेक्ट. आय टोल्ड हर, डोंट चर्चा वगैरे करू नको, डोंट गॉसिप. बाजूला उभी राहा, सगळ्यांसाठी चिंतन कर, सगळ्यांचं होतं आहे एवढंच कर. डोंट डू ऑल दिस की येते, कारण त्याच्यात आपला माइंड विचलित होतं. वी गेट डिस्ट्रॅक्टेड. सो शी डिड दॅट अलॉंग विथ मी. शी वॉज ऑल्सो डुईंग चिंतन. आणि असं करत करत मेन झाली. देन अगेन फॉर इंटरव्ह्यू ऑल्सो आय डिड द सेम थिंग. जे माझे पॅनल मेंबर्स होते त्यांच्यासाठी पण द एंटायर हाऊस वॉज आस्किंग, नॉट आस्किंग, आय वुड से अफर्मिंग की ह्यांचं भलं कर, ह्यांचं भलं कर, ह्यांचं भलं कर असं. आणि अगेन वेन आय वॉज गोईंग फॉर द इंटरव्ह्यू, सो वी सेट एका राऊंड टेबलकडे आम्ही बसतो सगळे कॅन्डिडेट्स. आणि देर आर अपार्ट फ्रॉम मी देर आर 5 people sitting. So again I was looking at them and saying my affirmation. आज एवढा सगळ्यांना भारी गेला आहे की everyone is scoring 190 plus, and 190 plus is a good score for interview. So it's like ki my ma'am who is he was going to take our interviews has liked all of us so much that such a miracle has happened. She is passing everybody, is what was going on in my mind. There was another guy sitting at the same table as me. I'll not mention his name. So the next day after the interview, we have to go for a medical examination, and we are allotted those hospitals at random. And I and that guy, we got the same hospital. So the next day we were chilled out. So we were just talking. He was like, "Do you know that in mains you have to look to the person to your right and to your left, because they are your competition. क्योंकि 3 में से एक ही सिलेक्ट होने वाला है." was thinking, what? My thoughts are so diametrically opposite. I'm thinking सगळे झाले पाहिजे, म्हणजे abundance mindset माझा versus he is thinking 3 मधून 1. And that logic is actually correct, not wrong. But why think? Not for us to, not our headache. UPSC's headache, no? They'll see. आपण कशाला बघायचं? Again he said, we were 6 people setting, no? Only 2 will get selected. And I was like, मेन्स तरी झाले, राईट लेफ्ट करायची गरज पडली नाही, पण आता हा रिझल्ट आलेला नाही आहे. आणि आय हॅड लुक्ड एट एव्हरीबडी अँड आय थॉट की वाव, एव्हरीवन सच अ ग्रेट कॅन्डिडेट. तर मी त्या 2 मध्ये नसणार आहे. आय थॉट, सो आय वाज लाईक स्टॉप. स्पीड ब्रेकर लावला मी. आय टोल्ड हिम, ये सुनी सुनाई बात है ना, इट्स जस्ट अ हियरसे. तो बोलला हो, मुली में जाऊ दे, डोंट टेल मी ऑल दीज थिंग्स, यू ऑल्सो डोंट थिंक दिस वे, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, नॉट फॉर अस टू थिंक अबाउट. आणि इट सो हॅपेंड दॅट I cleared, that person didn't clear. I don't want to say की त्याचं spiritually he erred or त्याचं तिकडे चुकलं असं नाही म्हणायचं मला, but he wasted his energy. At every level he wasted his energy. And he was also mentioning to me, and this is actually a very funny story, he had given attempt in 2021 also, mains in 2021 also. Again right left ते केलेलं होतं त्यानं. आणि तिथे एक अंकिता अगरवाल म्हणून 2nd रँकर आली ती 2021 मध्ये. ही हॅड सीन हर आणि यूज टू थिंक हिचं काय होणार, थर्मसमध्ये पाणी आणते, आरामात येऊन बसते, हिचं काय होणार. तिचं झालं आणि तुझं तेव्हा मेन्स पण नाही झालं. सो डोंट थिंक बॅड, डोंट थिंक हिचं काय होणार, तिचं काय होणार, त्याचं काय होणार. आणि एकतर ती पुण्याई तर आहेच, ते आपल्याला लागत नाही वेन वी थिंक दॅट वे. बट सेकंड ऑल्सो वेस्टिंग एनर्जी, प्युअर वेस्ट ऑफ एनर्जी. आणि यू विल लुक बॅक, यू विल लुक राईट अँड लेफ्ट नंतर, एक्झाम नंतर, आणि गॉड फॉरबिड यू सी की त्यांचा पेपर कम्प्लीटेड आणि तुमचा काही प्रश्न राहिला, यू विल बी लाईक 3 तर आहेत पण मी तो 1 नाही. असं जर झालं तर दॅट सच अ बॅड बॅगेज टू कॅरी, सच अ बॅड नॉईज टू कीप इन युअर माइंड. सो नो बॅगेज, नो नॉईज ऑफ एनी काइंड. थॉट नॉईज नको, लोक बोलतात अरे पेपर कसा गेला, तो नॉईज नको. ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ नॉईज आय हॅड completely blocked, and that helped me so much in not just calming myself but also me performing better, because I was in an empty mind and in a broad sense of mind, and whatever googly that was thrown at me, I could go in my mind library and think, okay ठीक आहे, हे विचारलं तर असं असं कनेक्शन लावून मी करू शकते. versus if we असं केलं तर कसं होणार, पेपर नाही संपणार तुमचा. तर इफ यू लुक बॅकिंग पुढे मी ह्याचं झालं त्याचं झालं, no, you can't do that. So competition is good, but not this kind of a competition. And competition should be with yourself. Improve yourself, work on yourself. Not ह्याचं झालं का, तिचं झालं का, हे सगळं करायचं नाही. आपण काय करतो, त्याने एवढाच अभ्यास केला तरी त्याचं झालं. Don't look outward, look inward. How much मेहनत do you require? Maybe your capabilities are different. You might require different number of revisions. Do that. Don't be ashamed of revision. Don't be ashamed of hard work, and don't be afraid also of hard work. करा. आणि असं नका बोलू त्याचं तेवढाच झालं, माझं काय झालं. Don't compare. Lastly, I would also like to mention the role of parents, such a big role. I'm sorry I'm taking so much time, but I really wanted to share this. So parents were also affirming with me, but at the same time, so my father, since I think 2020 or 2021, he was like, सर्वांच्या मुली IAS ऑफिसर होऊ दे, सर्वांच्या मुली IAS ऑफिसर होऊ दे. मग मला वाटायचं मुलीच का, मुलं पण, बिकॉज फेमिनिझम आणि असं आपल्याला वाटतं ना की नाही मुलीच कशाला, सगळेच झाले पाहिजे तसं. पण पप्पा म्हणायचे नाही, सर्वांची मुली IAS ऑफिसर होऊ दे. In 2021, for the first time, the top 3 rankers were females. And this doesn't end here. In 2022, top 4 rankers, female. 5th is a guy, 6th is again a female. Maharashtra topper, female. And the most number of female candidates have come this time, 2022 मध्ये. तर even small things like this had such a big repercussion. And we can see this result. तर सेकंडली माझं जेव्हा झालेलं नव्हतं, सो पीपल वर आस्किंग, अरे काय रे तुझी मुलगी बसली होती ना, तर काय झालं तिचं. तर आपण काय म्हणणार, 1 मार्काने राहिलं तिचं. करते आधी अभ्यास करते, खूप अभ्यास कर, 1 मार्काने राहिलं परत करेल. दिस इज नॉट व्हेरी नेगेटिव्ह, नॉट पॉझिटिव्ह ऑल्सो. What he would say is, it's a process, it's a long process. एक्झाम प्रोसेस खूप मोठी असते, तुम्हाला नाही कळत असतं. सो ते म्हणजे नाही पण ती कसली होती ना, हो ती मोठी प्रोसेस असते, ती चालू राहते, खूप मोठी एक्झाम असते ती, असं ते विचारायचं मग आता लग्नाचं हा ते याच्यानंतर बघू. सो वेगली वर्डेड आन्सर्स, नॉट गिविंग समथिंग व्हेरी स्पेसिफिक की नाही झालं, एका मार्काने राहिलं किंवा हे ते, विच इज ट्रू, नॉट रॉंग, पण समवेअर डाऊट किंवा असं काहीतरी येऊ शकेल. ऑल्सो माय फादर यूज टू वेक मी अप, हे तर ऐकलं असेल, उठा IAS ऑफिसर. इवन माय नंबर ऑन देअर फोन्सवर डॉक्टर कश्मीरा संख्या IAS असा. अँड मला ते ॲक्च्युली असं वाटायचं की बापरे, उठा IAS ऑफिसर अजून झाली नाही आहे, सो मच प्रेशर ऑन मी. पण यु नो वेन यू वर्क सो हार्ड अँड नॉट जस्ट हार्ड बट सिन्सिअरली अँड जेन्युइनली, it flows out of you that you are already an officer, and I experienced this so many times. For example, Vaibhav Nimbalkar Dada helped me a lot during essay writing, means, and again interview च्या वेळेला one incident had happened. My mother had fallen when I was in Delhi. She was also in Delhi with me, and she had a spinal fracture. So I was very disturbed, and this was just 20 days before the interview. सो आयज लाईक आता कसं होणार, तिथे माझ्यासाठी आली होती पण आता तिला कोण बघणार, आणि हे ते कम्प्लीट आयज लाईक डूम्सडे, काही नाही होणार अचानक. पण आज लाईक काम डाऊन, झोपून जाता, उद्या बघू. नेक्स्ट डे हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड हर अँड वॉट एव्हर दॅट हॅपन. अँड आय वॉज सपोज टू मीट वैभव निंबाळकर दादा. ही वॉज इन दिल्ली. सो ही हॅड टोल्ड मी CRPFला आता मी डेप्युटेशनला आहे, तर दिल्लीला मी येतोय, आपण भेटू. सो आयज लाईक ओके. पण असं झालं होतं. सो आय कॉल्ड हिम की सर असं असं झालं आहे, आईला तर जमणार नाही पण मला पण माझं थोडं डिफिकल्ट वाटतं. सो लाईक नाही आय कॅन अंडरस्टँड, इट्स अ व्हेरी क्रुशियल टाईम आणि असं झालं आहे, पण आपण नंतर भेटू पाहिजे. तर आय जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू मेक शुअर दॅट यू आर चार्ज अप बिफोर द इंटरव्ह्यू, दॅट इज वाय आय वॉन्टेड टू मीट यू. सो लाईक येस, मला पण यायचं होतं, असं ते झालं. आणि आय कॉल्ड अप दॅट फ्रेंड अगेन, जिने मला सांगितलं तू बिंदास दे अटेम्प्ट. आय कॉल्ड हर अगेन, आय टोल्ड हर की असं असं झालं आहे, आणि मी त्यांना कॅन्सल केलं. ती बोलली तुझं जे स्टेट ऑफ माइंड आता आहे ना, ते चेंज करायला दिस इज द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट टाइम दॅट यू गो टू हिम. सो डोंट से नो टू हिम. त्यांना आत्ता फोन करून सांग मी येते आहे. सो आय कॉल्ड हिम, आय टोल्ड हिम सर मी येते आहे, आणि त्यांना खूप लेट सांगितलं मी. ही हॅड इन्व्हायटेड मी फॉर लंच. ही वेटेड टिल 2:45, 3 o'clock फॉर मी टू अराइव्ह देअर अँड हॅव लंच विथ मी. सच अ ग्राउंडेड पर्सन. अँड इवन देन एवढे चांगले टिप्स दिले. ही वॉज लाईक आजी आजोबा आहेत आपले इंटरव्ह्यूमध्ये बसलेले, सो डोंट गेट इंटिमिडेटेड, पण मान द्यायचा असा. अँड दॅट हेल्प मी सो मच. Afterwards, I told him that I want to go back to where I am staying. आणि मग मेट्रोनी जाईन, मी चालत जाईल. म्हणजे अरे चालत नको जाऊ, थोडं लांब आहे, मी तुला गाडीने सांगतो सोडायला. अँड ही अरेंज्ड हिज ओन व्हेकल. ही ओपन द डोर फॉर मी. ही ओपन द डोर फॉर मी. I sat. He sent his PA with me and the driver. And I was actually going like an officer. Feeling the whole time, no, I'm not an officer yet, please, थोडं overwhelming असं होत होतं मला. Those PA, that PA, that is I don't know if any of you have watched those videos. गाडी येते IAS ची, आणि even before it halts, that person is sitting in the passenger seat, gets down and opens your door. That happened with me. त्यांच्या PA before stopping, and me apna like a normal citizen, I was like okay, I'm opening my door, but I was also aware that he's running from there and coming here. He opened the door. Salam. I was like what is happening? And then again on the same day, this is the day that I met Vaibhav Nimbalkar Dada properly for the first time face to face. Same day I was traveling in the metro and I was going for a mock interview, so I was with a friend on call की मला हे डिस्कस करायचं असं. And that guy, he was also preparing, he overheard me. He wrote on a sheet of paper, are you a UPSC interview candidate? I said yes. So we got to talk, and he was telling me I'm 20, DU ला आहे मी पण करतोय असं सगळं, मला तुझा नंबर दे. And I gave him my number. When the results came, he messaged me की दीदी, is this you, Kashmira, is this you? I said yes, it's me. He was like, when I met you, and it was hardly for 5 minutes that we had seen each other. He was like, I could sense from you that you were in top 50. So something had changed in me, that it was flowing out of me that I'm already an officer as a type. So when you are also so convinced and your efforts are also in that direction, that everyone else also starts to see you in that way, अँड नॉट जस्ट असं की आता आई बाबा बोलतात आपल्याला वाटतं विलफुल थिंकिंग, बट स्ट्रेंजर्स ऑल्सो. सो दॅट गेव मी अ लॉट ऑफ बूस्ट. ॲज लाईक ओके चल झालं आपण आता फक्त इंटरव्ह्यू द्यायचं नीटपणे. सो अगेन वेन आय वेंट टू द इंटरव्ह्यू हॉल आय वॉज व्हेरी चिल्ड आउट. तसंच मी अफर्मेशन प्रेयर सगळं केलं होतं. यांच्यासाठी भलकरची साधना, आणि भलकरची साधना इज सो इम्पॉर्टंट, सो इम्पॉर्टंट, मच मोर आय वुड से इम्पॉर्टंट दॅन affirmation for yourself, because self affirmation can somewhere cause self doubt, but affirmation for all does not at all, because आपल्याला वाटतं अरे एवढे सगळे लोक आहेत ना, एक तरी होईलच, आणि दॅट वुड बी फुलफिलिंग, की एक जरी झालं तरी दॅट वुड फुलफिल माय अफर्मेशन. सो इट डज हेल्प अ लॉट, मच मोर दॅन वेन यू आस्क फॉर युअरसेल्फ. तेव्हा मी असं एवढं अवेअर नव्हते की वेन आय एम आस्किंग मला ते तेवढ्या पटीने मल्टिप्लाय मॅग्निफाय होऊन माझ्याकडे येत आहे. When I was doing it because I sensed I could be calm, and I would suggest to all the yuvas, I think there's quite a few yuvas here, this should be your state of mind in any exam, going for any exam. This should be the state of mind. This is a very good state of mind that I learned from Jeevan Vidya. And the very last thing I want to touch upon is social media. So people were asking me, तू अचानक सोडलंस की हळूहळू? So I would say it was achanak for me. I did not go halu. There was one time in 2018-19 when that reel system just started, and I was scrolling like any other of you who might be sitting here. I looked up at the clock and it was already 2 hours had gone in that. I was like, baap re, this is a national loss, no less. I can't let a multinational company like Facebook, Instagram determine the future of my future and the future of my nation. I can't. My nation will look at me when it's 100 and it will ask me. It will ask me तू युवा असताना तू काय केलंस, हे केलंस दुसऱ्यांच्या some other countries multinational company चा प्रॉफिट केलंस तू. This is what you did. And so that became it became so easy for me to leave social media after that. I did not turn back in those 3 years. No WhatsApp, no Instagram, Facebook deleted. मला तरी पण असं काही वाटत नव्हतं की सगळ्यांचं बघायचं आहे गुड लाईफ, बिकॉज ऑन इंस्टाग्राम यू सी द गुड लाईफ, बट यू नो युअर गुड लाईफ अँड बॅड लाईफ, सो यू स्टार्ट कम्पेअरिंग, अँड दॅट इज सच अन एसिमेट्रिकल इन्फॉर्मेशन विथ विच यू आर कम्पेअरिंग. इट डझंट कम्पॅरिझन होऊ शकत नाही. सो रॅदर दॅन लुकिंग ॲट अदर्स, आय वॉज विशिंग की जे पण आपल्या ह्याच्यात पुढे जात आहेत ते जाऊ देत. ऑफकोर्स खूप त्यांचं चांगलं होऊ दे, लग्न होत आहेत होऊ दे, जॉब मिळत आहेत त्यांना चांगल्या ठिकाणी, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, US कुठे जात आहेत, लेट देम गो. आय विश द बेस्ट फॉर देम, बट ॲट द सेम टाईम मला माझ्यावर फोकस करायचा आहे. आय वॉन्ट टू फोकस ऑन माय सेल्फ, अँड फॉर दॅट सोशल मीडिया गेटिंग आउट ऑफ माय लाईफ वॉज सच अ बिग थिंग दॅट अचानक 3 तास निर्माण होतात. 24 hours असतात सगळ्यांकडे, बट अचानक यू सी की हो नो 3 तास कुठे झाले. So that happens, and in that you can do anything that improves yourself. Read a book, pursue a new hobby. I pursued a new hobby. I was learning the Japanese language. Very recently I also started Mandarin. तर करा, pursue करा असं काहीतरी. Do something good with your life. Instagram and all is okay and you'll be there. It's not going anywhere. You can look it up for break or whatever कधीतरी. पण अभ्यास करताना फक्त अभ्यास, and that should be only for break. And social media should only be for your self-development and your improvement. If it is pulling you back, stop it. Stop it for your sake. If you love yourself, stop it. If you love your country, stop it. That is what I would say. I apologize to the faculty that I took a lot of time, but this was really something that I wanted to share, and somehow yesterday's entire lectures got summarized within my story. असं मला वाटत होतं. आणि I was seeing so many yuvas. I was feeling की I want to drive this point home. I want to drive all these points home. की अभ्यास असतो, अभ्यास सगळे करतात, पण मनस्थिती कशी असली पाहिजे. सो ती स्मॉल थिंग स्मॉल वाटतात आपल्याला, त्यांचे खूप मोठे रेपरकशन असतात. सो एवढं बोलून मी थांबवते. So I mentioned yesterday, we are privileged to have you here. No sir, it's my privilege that I'm associated with Jeevan Vidya Mission, and it will be all your privileges when you find few years down the line you will be गोईंग ॲट टॉप लेवल्स इन युअर फील्ड अँड युअर फील येस जीवनविद्याचं ह्याच्यात योगदान होतं. सो तेवढं बोलून मी थांबवते. मला इथे बोलण्याची संधी दिल्याबद्दल फॉर गिविंग मी दी अपॉर्च्युनिटी टू स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. थँक यू व्हेरी मच.